Hi, so I got this dissecting kit. Let's see what we have in it. Okay, so there are total 26 pieces in it. These are blades, stainless blades. Okay, this is the groove director. These are scalpel. This is dissecting spatula. This is straight point. This is curved point. This is operating forceps. This is pointed forceps, or you can say the micro forceps. This is tooth forceps. This is the magnifying glass. These are operating scissors. This is called mosquito forceps. It's open like this. It's like this. And we have Irish scissor. So this is all the material of dissecting kit. Bye bye.